Hey, so I was vacuuming and I noticed the vacuum kept bogging down. So I know Oreck has addressed this on newer models, but I just wanted to show that, yep, I'm having to change the belt. Granted, I don't know how old the belt was that was on here originally. So we're going to stop and change the belt through the belt door, which you must do with a Oreck XL-21, otherwise you can kind of warp this stuff right in here. I've got a package here and got a new belt. I like to put my spare belt in the pocket. That way it doesn't get all messed up underneath. So we're going to try and change this. Yeah, you can see the difference there in terms of how much it's stretched. So we're just going to do this real quick. There's two ways you can do this. You can do it either way. I tend to be pretty strong with my fingers, so I can cheat and do that. Technically, you're supposed to do this side first and then walk it on. But, you know, why do that if I have the finger strength to do something else? And I like to do this one by hand, because the screw is going to go in and out a lot in its lifetime. I like to go the reverse until I find the thread. Alright, so that's good to go.